Hey, so I'm gonna try to call the building department this morning. They came out and on Saturday and tried to tell me I was replacing my entire roof and that I needed to get a permit. And in actuality, I was doing some patchwork and replacing some flashing and not doing an entire roof job. So I'm gonna call Orange County Building Department and we're gonna see what they have to say about it. Let me get on the speakerphone.
Welcome to the Orange County 311 call center. If this is an emergency, please hang up and dial 911. Para más información en español, oprima el 2. Your call is being recorded. In compliance with public records law, your communication with Orange County may be disclosed to the public and media at any time. Our menu has changed. If you are calling for information about the People with Special Needs program, please press 1. For information regarding the Animal Services Spay or Neuter program, please press 3. For information about research and code violations, please press 4. For information about streetlights, please press 5. You may bypass this greeting at any time by pressing the pound sign. Hours of operation for 311. Code enforcement violation data is now available online at Orange County's website. First, you should verify that the property has a municipality designation unincorporated by using the Orange County Property Appraiser's website at www.ocpafl.org. Use the property searches link on the left side of the page. Next. Welcome to the Orange County 311 call center. If this is an emergency, please hang up and dial 911. Para más información en español, oprima el 2. Your call is being recorded. In compliance with public records law, your communication with Orange County may be disclosed to the public and media at any time. Our menu has changed. If you are calling for information about the People with Special Needs program, please press 1. Your call is being recorded in compliance with public records law. Your communication with Orange County may be disclosed to the public and media at any time. Thank you for calling Orange County 311. This is Kendra. How may I help you?
Hey, Kendra, I'm trying to get through to the building department permitting.
All right, sure. I'll be happy to transfer you over. Is there anything else I can do for you while you're on the line?
No, that's it.
All right. Have a good rest of your day. Thank you for calling Orange County 311. Hold the line.
Thank you.
Thank you. Please Thank you for calling the Planning, Environmental, and Development Services Hotline. Press 0 now to speak with a Development Customer Assistance Professional. Development Services, how can I direct your call?
Hey, I want to get some information about whether I need a permit or not.
Okay, what are you trying to do?
Well, I've got some leaks in my roof and a couple of areas in my one of my bathrooms in the living room. The ceiling's fallen in, so I need to get up there and repair the roof where those leaks are at and repair some flashing.
Okay, and this is on a residential?
Yes.
So you will need a permit for it. Let me go ahead and transfer you over to residential permitting. They'll be able to tell you what kind of documents you'll need.
Okay.
Please hold. Welcome to the Orange County Division of Building Safety. Our lobby hours are 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Our mailing address is Post Office Box 2687, Orlando, Florida 32802. We are located at 201 South Roslyn Avenue, first floor of the Orange County Administration Building. Our web address is www.ocfl.net/building. For monitoring and quality assurance, your call will be recorded. Please select from one of the following selections. For building and permitting questions, press 1. Thank you for calling the Orange County Building Division. Your call will be monitored and recorded for quality control. Thank you. Your approximate wait time is 4 minutes.
So 4 more minutes.
Thank you for calling. Please be assured that
So
your call will be answered as soon as possible.
so far it's taken me 6 minutes to get this far. Now 4 more minutes to talk to another human.
Good morning, building safety call. Come on, direct your call.
Hey, I'm trying to find out whether I need a building permit to do some roof work or not.
It's for your residential house?
Yes.
One moment, please. But please stay on the line. A representative will assist you in just a moment. Hold on, give me a minute.
Okay.
Possible. Good morning, Orange County Division of Safety. This is Barbara. How can I assist you today?
Hey Barbara, this is Harold. I have some roof leaks in my roof. I'm not doing the entire roof. I got a couple of areas that I got to fix. Do I need a permit for that?
How much is it going to cost you, Harold?
I don't know, maybe $500 or $600
Yeah, you need a permit for it, Harold.
for 2 leaks for replacing
Yeah,
the flashing.
If it's $600, we want to charge you for that $600. Yeah, you do. How many square footage is going to be exactly?
I don't know, maybe 25, 50.
Yeah, you need a permit for it, Harold.
Really?
Yeah, because if it's going to costing you $600 for that.
I mean, if I was going to do the entire roof, it'd probably be $10,000 or $20,000, and you guys
Right.
are. Wow.
You put a permit, yeah, because I have people, because I do the roof and we charge them for that.
Wow. I'm going to have to move out of Orange County, move out of Florida. You guys are taxing us old people to death, or we're on Social Security.
I'm sorry.
Wow. So where's the building department at, and what do I need to do that?
You'll need to come to 201 South Roslyn,
Uh-huh.
and we're located in the Division of Building Safety. So when you're here, you can fill the application. And it's going to be a normal roof, or is it going to be metal? You can do it a normal?
It's just shingles and a piece of flashing about 20 feet long.
Okay, so it's a normal shingle you're doing, right?
Yes.
Okay, so if it's a normal shingle, then you don't need a product approval. That's why I asked. So you're the homeowner, right? You want
Yes.
to share me Harold, your address real quick? Let me see.
Yeah,
You don't mind?
it was busy.
Me too. I went outside, worked in the garden. I forgot to put sun lotion. I'm burned.
Uh-oh.
And I'm itchy everywhere. I've got sun itching. Crazy.
That's terrible.
Yeah, it hurts. Give me a second. So you're planning to come today?
Excuse me?
Are you planning to come today to the county?
I may try to come down today. It may be tomorrow, but I was going to try today, yeah.
Okay, if you need to be here, you want to be here before 3 because there's a cutback for residential. You'll need to be here and, clock in.
Oh,
clock
okay.
in. Yeah, check in.
Okay. Oh, that's it.
Okay, you have a wonderful day then.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
You're welcome. Bye.
New because in the past, when you do a roof repair or any kind of repair, as long as it was less than a percentage of the roof, I think it was, if it was over 25%, or over 50% of the roof, then you had to get a permit. If it was less than that, you didn't have to get a permit. So they've changed that. So just a warning to all you retired people out there that own a fixed income. If you're out in your yard and you're pulling weeds or mowing the grass or painting the house, you better go to your building department and see if you need a permit for that, because working on your house here, doing any kind of repairs, can get you in trouble with your government. That's your government looking out for you. So anyway, you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll have another video for you soon. This is Harold signing off, baby. Check you later. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Talk to you later.